of you a very lovely and warm welcome to you on this special occasion that is Dhanteras. So I wish you all a very happy and very prosperous Dhanteras, and may Goddess Lakshmi shower you with all her blessings and prosperity of good health and good wealth. Okay, so we are on day 13 of our 30 days long challenge that is loving yourself series. So if you haven't watched the previous video, just go ahead and watch it, and you will get something very positive out from them. Don't miss them. So today we are going to do the day 13 challenge, and that will be a very warm, loving self-love ritual. A ritual is very important because who knows you better than you? Obviously you, as in capital letters U, your higher self, the part of you that is connected to the divine and has always been with you and always will be. Self-care goes deep, that is on multiple aspects of ourselves. In this video, in this challenge, I am sharing a very transformative and easy intimate self-love ritual that you will do as a challenge for day 13 and day 14. So most of us look for love in all the wrong places, meaning that most of us subconsciously or not look to others around us to love us deeply and unconditionally. Obviously, there is nothing wrong with having this desire, but the ironic thing about this is that some of us don't even love ourselves in that way. Who can give you what you don't have deep within yourselves? And how unsettling it is to think that we would need or depend on any love that is outside of us before we need to give ourselves that kind of love that we desire from others. What if you would completely whole and cherish even without the love from others? How would you behave differently if your cup was full and the love from your family, friends was only an add-on, a bonus? Maybe you have felt that before, glimpses of it here and there. We all get off track often, and we forgot who we really are. That's why I am giving you this self-love ritual as a challenge, so that it can help you come back to yourself. In fact, the whole series is focused on loving yourself, and these exercises is taking you one step closer to loving yourself. So I request you to please go and have this time with yourself and give yourself this gift. So Diwali is all about celebrating, loving gifts, gifting and receiving. So as we love ourselves and as we enjoy gifting others, why not gift ourselves a gift? So day 13 is all about gifting yourself a very sweet, loving gift. It doesn't matter if you can buy or you can create it. Be creative. Okay, have fun, play around what you can gift to yourself. Anything that you have been thinking about to gift yourself but till now you couldn't. You can prepare your gift for the day 13 and you can pick out the perfect gift for yourself, something that you haven't thinking but haven't been able to gift yourself, and wrap it up in a very beautiful love, lots of love, very sparkling paper, and give to yourself. Okay, this is day 13 and I would love the ideas what you have gifted. You have completed day 13. I invite you to do the ritual bath, that is your day 14 challenge. You can have a normal water that you keep for bathing. You can add the petals of your favorite flower, that is rose, or you can add some salt. It can be Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, or the normal table salt that you will find in your kitchen. anything, and it will help you detox your body and energetically clear yourself. It will have all. You can also add crystals, rose quartz in your water with you to envelop yourself with the energy of love. The motive of this ritual is to make yourself feel special and to take care of yourself as you would take care of a loved one. And you can be creative while adding something to your bath water. If you don't have anything, just go with the salt and a pinch of turmeric in your normal tub of water, and you can enjoy this ritual with yourself. Or you can apply a very good soap, special soap, handmade soap, or any good lotion after your bath, and you can make this ritual more effective, more creative. You can add also a few drops of essential oils, that is lavender oil. It is a great stress-free bathing oil, okay? And also you can put some perfumes, like jasmine is a beautiful scent, and cinnamon is carries a very sensual smell. Cinnamon powder also you can add and enjoy their fragrance while you bath. So, and you can, after the bath, you can prepare a glass of coffee, tea, or water, so that you can drink it up after the bath and just make yourself feel so special, like a goddess or a god, why in this Diwali. Because I have chosen this challenge so that you can do, and it won't take any extra efforts, because this is festival and you are also preparing. So my challenge is also taking care of that, so that you don't have to do some extra. It is just, you can go with the flow. Okay, connect with your body. As women and men also can relate, we are disconnected from certain parts of our bodies. So if you have ever been abused, sexually assaulted, or raised in a religion that says body loving is shameful, do this and get out of that shameful feeling of your body. Hope you had a great time doing the day 13 and day 14. It was all about yourself, gifting yourself a very lovely gift. And day 14 we did a lovely ritual, bathing ritual. We added some special things that is our favorite, that we love, that is rose petals or some fragrance. Whatever you love, you can add to your bathing water and just enjoy this normal, yes, yet monotonous job of bathing, to making it very simple and going one step further in loving yourself. I hope you are enjoying loving yourself, okay? It is very essential. You should know that. Okay, I will see you in the next video, and till then, wish you a very happy Diwali. Take care.